Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update we are going to go over is VeChain. VeChain right now is trading at 0.03157. 24-hour volume, we are up 35%, and market cap, we are up just shy of 1% of 0.66%. So going into our chart here again, we have it set on a day. What we can see on this is, again, we are continuously making a lot of lower high peaks and a lot of higher peaks as well. However, the candlestick that we are currently at is in a known area of resistance. Take a look at this on the left-hand side, how many times we were rejected down from the price point of 0.03297. So we can only anticipate that we are going to get rejected from this point, but we're going to go through different types of time frames to see the strong current momentum and see what the overall look for our day is. So going into an immediate short term for 4 hours here, we can see that we've broke through our channel that we were going up. So I'm just going to close the MACD here, and we can see, again, creating a lot of higher highs. We did fall short on the third peak itself. We crossed over our trend line at the very bottom. At the same time we crossed over, bam, there it is. Our MACD indicator showed a trend reversal from a bull to a bear, breaking through this trend line. However, you'll notice that we didn't fall as drastically. We held support roughly around 0.03053. Take a look as well with our RSI numbers falling down, crossed over the next candlestick, and then retraced upwards on the RSI. Because the current trend is a bear trend, price wasn't going to break through any known resistance area. It actually stood still in consolidation because of the Bollinger Band reaction. Notice the Bollinger Bands are consolidating sideways as it was narrowing from this crossover. So what we can anticipate, price is going to consolidate sideways until we can actually get a more definite change in our actual MACD. If we do continue in this bearish market, and if we're seeing bigger histograms or bigger bars closer to this number here, 0.03049, we would ultimately break this area of support. Taking a look at on a 4-hour time frame, all of the candlesticks that are bouncing very nicely, having an area of support. Now, one of the things here already that we're seeing is closer to 20 MA, which is normally treated as a good resistance and a support. We've bounced back from here with our hammer candlestick as a reversal from a current downtrend, coming back up, peaking at an RSI at 86 and 68. Seen a crossover the current engulfing candlestick, coming back down and closer to the 20 MA. We see a pinch here, broke out on the upside, huge reversal considered to be overbought, and a turn of our MACD line. So as we are coming down, depending on the momentum and the strength of this, okay, we're going to take our fib chart and take a look here. We've already closer to the 61%. If we fall through 61%, histograms of the MACD is getting bigger, getting stronger. The current is getting stronger on a bear market. We're going to pull through. We're going to slice right through this and then come back down to this area of support. Immediate short term of 3 hours. Let's take a look at what we're going to see. Again, crossover of the MACD. We've got the histograms pretty small here. We can see already considered to be oversold. Price may move up slightly here. Let's grab more data on our 2-hour time frame. Already crossed over. The bars itself is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty small. Crossed over, already mentioned here that it is considered to be oversold. And then 1-hour time frame lightening up in colors. Okay, so all 3 time frames, histograms, really small. The bars are getting small. In the 1 hour, we see lighter colors. We're considered to be oversold on 3 time frames. On the 4th one itself is to be considered, again, oversold. So I guess 4 time frames we're going to initially be oversold. So what I'm thinking overall on our day time frame or even our 4-hour time frame is we're going to nicely bounce from here, hopefully, or see support around this line here at the 3057. I know it's probably not the best to have it as low as here, but all 3 time frames does show more of a MACD indicator that it is momentum of more of a bearish market. If we can hold roughly around, the 78%, even better, but price may actually come down here for VeChain at 0.03049 and then find a really nice bounce itself. Didn't really see any hidden divergence to work in our favor of this current uptrend. But again, if we're able to hold on here, it is still compared to this last peak here of creating a higher high. If we do come down here, we may risk of having a double top chart pattern, which is a reversal pattern up at the peak here. So that's my video for VeChain, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow.